Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss next PYQ of CSIRNet 2019. So our question is, let Rn be the space of R linear map from Rn to Rn. If kernel T denotes the kernel or null space of T, then which of the following are true? And these are all are the option. So here, there is a transformation from Rn to Rn and kernel T denotes the nullity of T. So here first option, there exists T belongs to R5 not belongs to 0 such that rank of T is equals to kernel of T. Here by rank nullity theorem we say that nullity of T plus rank of T is equals to dimension of V, that is dimension of first Rn, that is equals to n, which implies nullity of T plus rank of T is equals to n, right? So here we see if the sum of this is equals to the dimension of then rank and nullity is equal if both have same dimension, and it is possible when if it is even. If n is even, then it is possible that rank of n and nullity of n is equal, because in the case of odd, if n is odd, then this is not possible. So here there does not exist T belongs to L of R5 not belongs to 0 such that rank of T is equals to rank of T. It is true kernel of T, because in the R5, if it is R5, then it is not possible that both rank and nullity dimension is same. So and in the case of even, it is possible that if it suppose n is equals to 5, so 3 plus 2 can possible, or 2 plus 3 can be possible, but both are not equal. And if n is equals to 6, then 3 plus 3, it is possible, right? So it is possible in the case of even, but it is not possible in the case of odd. So option B and C are correct and the remaining options are incorrect. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.